The final decade of the 20th century, the 1990s, were a time of simplicity that gave us numerous transformative events. From the emergence of online shopping to the buzz of cyber cafes and the unforgettable sound of dial-up modems, it was an era that shaped our current digital world. But in this whirlwind of change, one film not only defined the decade's fashion, but also left a mark on today's tech world. That movie is none other than Titanic.
As if.
As if. That's the catchphrase from the iconic 90s teen comedy classic, Clueless. And today we're diving into how engineers are using inspiration from that era to shape modern fashion tech.
Cher, the protagonist, is wealthy, stylish, and the queen of high school makeovers. But who has time for makeovers in today's fast-paced world? Enter the revolutionary app Wearing, inspired directly by Cher's digital wardrobe in Clueless. Wearing is a digital styling app that rescues users when they're clueless about what to wear. First up, catalog your entire wardrobe digitally. Snap a photo or browse over 20 million items in the Wearing database. Like a thoughtful bestie, the app will auto-remove the background and tag each item for a supremely organized digital closet. No more impulse buys, more time for what you love with outfits right at your fingertips, all thanks to the work of engineers. Using the Canvas tool, you can mix and match outfits or let the AI-powered WPIC tool learn your style for even faster fashion choices.
But the 90s didn't just inspire Wearing, they also set the stage for beauty tech marvels here in the US.
Sephora, founded in 1969 in France, didn't make its US debut until 1998 in New York City. Fast forward to today, and in partnership with ModiFace, a firm specializing in facial analysis and visualization technology, Sephora developed an AR digital try-on feature, allowing users to try on makeup virtually and see the results in real life.
You can try all kinds of different things without actually putting anything on your face. You can see I have some makeup on my face right now, but I can look in the screen here and it's like I'm wearing totally different makeup.
And you can even kiss the screen to change your lip color. Since the launch of Sephora's virtual artist, the feature has seen 8.5 million visits, with over 200 million shades tried from lipsticks to eyeshadows to blushes.
But Sephora's engineering ingenuity doesn't stop there. There's also Sephora's Color IQ technology to help users find the perfect foundation match.
Just scan your face and the Color IQ number matches you with the right foundation shades in store. So when you hit the town, you're not just dressed to impress, you're engineered to perfection. There are many faces and many names that come to mind when you think of the beauty industry, but hopefully now you'll remember the one name that has truly revolutionized the industry, and that name is engineer.
As if.
And if you like this week's episode of The Circuit, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more incredible engineering news.